Hey everyone, my name is Cassandra Saleem. I'm here with New Western. I'm a real estate agent myself. New Western is an investment brokerage, so we offer a marketplace for investment properties. So if you're a wholesaler, give me a call. If you're an agent, give me a call. And if you are an investor, give me a call. I'm excited to talk to you, and if you're looking for distressed properties, you found the right person. My phone number is 408-390-6809. Thanks.
Hey everybody, my name is Alyssa Clayton. I'm with the company LA Fixers. We specialize in the LA area. We're with Chuck and Leah, if you guys know them. We mainly focus on distressed properties. They're all fixers, aka below market value. That means you are going to get your money's worth. We also have a podcast. Fun fact, Lloyd's going to be on ours next week, so tune into that. It's called Rubbing Elbows, and we also have events every month for investors just like you. Come find me and let's connect.